We're going to test how fast Hostinger is. I recently moved my travel photography blog, aprilus.com, to Hostinger, so let's take a look. This is my homepage. It's a pretty simple homepage. And then I also have this blog post. It's not overloaded or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the domain or the URL, go to page speed, Google page speed, and I'm going to click on analyze. And then I'm going to do the same thing on GT metrics. I'm going to click on test now. Then I'm going to copy my blog post and then do the same thing and test it on Google page speed and GT matrix. And this isn't a super technical review of the Hostinger speed. That's not something I usually do. But let's take a look at GT metrics, see what it's popping up. So it says I have too many tests in queue. So let me just click back here, take a look at this. So with GT Matrix, my homepage blog is at performance 100 and structure 99%. Here's the largest content or largest contful paint. And then I'm going to go back to GT Matrix, take a look at that now and test it. While it's testing, I will take a look at Google page speed, and it looks like it's still loading or testing, but here it is. The homepage on mobile has a score of 94, and the desktop has a score of 100. And then let's take a look at the blog post page, which is just loading or finishing up. Just by the way, I'm in Sri Lanka right now. And where I'm located, I actually live above a church and at the back of the church upstairs. So the internet is pretty slow. So it has nothing to do with Google page speed or Hostinger in terms of these pages loading. So let me just click on desktop. So desktop is 99. Let me go to mobile. Doesn't look like it analyzed that properly. So I'll just click on that again. And once again, it's just due to my internet speed here in Sri Lanka. But I'm going to go and take a look at this again. You can see the core web vitals, it failed, but just from my experience, the website actually loads pretty fast in real time. And here's the mobile score of 99% for the blog post. And then we go back to desktop for the performance. And the one thing is with Hostinger, I'm on the Cloud Enterprise plan. So I'm not on the cheapest plan. So I'm on the Cloud Enterprise plan. If I go to products, I'm on this cloud hosting plan, not these cheap $2.99 web hosting. Those are pretty good if you're a new beginner or you don't have traffic or you don't expect traffic to come in. It's good to build your blog or your brand or your website. And just going to the WordPress plugins for my website, I don't have anything really special going on except this Imagify plugin, but everything else is just simple. The one thing within Hostinger to speed up my website is I did update or enable some of the performance tools. And let me see here, I'll go to performance, I'll go to object cache. So I have light speed and object cache enabled on my Hostinger web hosting plan. And then I also have my CDN, content delivery network, enabled. And I just had to do a few clicks to speed up my website. In the future, I will look into optimizing my WordPress blog and some of my images a little bit more. It's just that I don't want to spend too much time on optimizing technical SEO for my blog. The main reason is Google, it's all over the place in terms of ranking websites and blogs in search engine or for search engine optimization, especially with the AI overviews. But so far, I'm pretty happy with Hostinger and the speed that it performs at. And as you can see, I put an affiliate link here. So if you do decide to purchase Hostinger, you can support my channel by using the link. It's no additional cost to you. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. And as always, live easy, sleep breezy, and stay lovely.